Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In Python, non-printable characters are characters that cannot be displayed or printed in a readable format, such as control characters, tabs, newlines, and other special characters. Removing these non-printable characters from a string can be useful when you want to clean or pre-process text data for further analysis or display. In this tutorial, we will explore different methods to strip non-printable characters from a string in Python, along with code examples. Python's re module allows us to work with regular expressions, which are powerful for pattern matching and text manipulation. We can use regular expressions to find and remove non-printable characters from a string. In this code, another approach to remove non-printable characters is to iterate through the string and build a new string containing only the printable characters. In this code, removing non-printable characters from a string is a common task when working with text data in Python. You can choose either of the methods described in this tutorial based on your preference and specific requirements. Regular expressions provide a flexible and powerful way to remove non-printable characters, while the list comprehension approach offers a more straightforward solution. ChatGPT